Our web application eLearning platform does not require any installation or upgrades, and with one-click learners have access to the latest versions and updates. Another big upside to our web-based approach is that you are not tied to the rules set by the terms and conditions of app stores. You are free to offer content and update as you see fit. Also, with countries as China, you are guaranteed that your app will not be removed. You do not need any government approval. With one click, you can navigate directly in your application. There is no difference in usage between web application and native application. The screen experience is completely identical. Our offering tool allows you to design premium content directly in the platform and adapted to mobile learning. Our application is also video first, which is a real asset for your mobile experience. Easy and efficient. Via a link in a message or by clicking on the icon of the saved application, our web application facilitates quick and easy access to your courses. The Learning Lab is the ultimate e-learning solution. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe.